Hello, in this video I'd like to show you a cool new features in ContentBot. It's called Discover. In case you are not familiar with ContentBot, ContentBot is a powerful AI-driven tool that helps marketers create engaging and unique content fast. So they recently added a new feature called Discover. I'm logged into my dashboard and you can access it by clicking this icon here. We can use this tool to get important SEO information about our topic. So let's take a look at how it works. Let's click here. Here you have to provide the topic you want to write about and your main keyword. And of course, you need to select your preferred region. As you can see, this tool is powered by SEMrush, which is a powerful online marketing tool. It provides comprehensive data on website traffic, keyword research, backlinks, and other SEO metrics. It can be used to gain insight into competitor strategies, track website performance, and identify opportunities for improvement. SEMrush is a very expensive tool. If I'm correct, it starts from $200 a month. But of course, you don't have to pay extra here with ContentBot. It's integrated into the app and it just makes ContentBot even more valuable. You can also see that this search will cost you around 1,500 words or 1,500 credits that will be taken off of your monthly total credit. So let's try it now. Let's say our topic is top 5 gaming laptops. ContentBot immediately recommends a keyword for us, but let me just remove this 5 from the beginning. So gaming laptops is enough. And all we have to do is click Discover Topic. Okay, so ContentBot pulled all the necessary information from SEMrush, and here it is. As you can see, some alternative keyword variations have been chosen for us. And under the Opportunities tab, it shows us some article ideas. And these article ideas are grouped by keywords. We can also see the estimated monthly traffic for that keyword. And the cool thing is when you move your mouse over an article idea, you see this Create Block Shot button popping up. So with one click, you can create a full article on that topic. I have a separate video about the block shot feature. If you are interested, click the link in the top right corner of this video. This is a really powerful feature of ContentBot and it can drastically reduce the time you spend on content creation. The second tab is the keywords. Here you can find a lot of useful information about the keywords. You can see the traffic, estimated cost per click, trends, etc. But one of the most important one is the keyword difficulty. It tells you how hard it is to rank for that given keyword. The closer it is to 100%, the toughest to rank for. So you should try something with a lower value, maybe 30 or less. Okay, so for gaming laptops, the keyword difficulty is 82%. It's basically impossible to rank, so don't go after this keyword. You can select other keywords, then you will see different metrics for that particular keyword. Here you can also see questions people ask about this topic. You can use these questions or you can just look at these questions as long tail keywords. So for example, let's select this one. Again, I can see the metrics for this keyword. Here we also have some information about related user searches, additional questions, and some of the top results for the selected keyword. Under the Learn tab, we have some additional information related to our main keyword, questions, top 10 search results, and some related search queries. So right now this feature is in beta and this is the first version, so I expect some exciting new features and improvements here. I think this is a really useful tool. It's very easy to use. You can quickly find ideas for new content, and with a click of a button, you can generate a high quality and unique article. Again, I will leave a link in the description to my other video where I show you how to use the blockshot feature. Don't forget to check it. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below the video. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.